These are all the spectators.
The crowd goes wild.
Angela is here to...
You can go next if you want.
Ready?
Yep.
Hey, Red!
You gotta jump
Hold my hand! Hold my hand!
Hey, y'all have to let us know when you're going. 1, 2, 3, go, okay?
I want you to jump in with me. I ain't going alone. I'm gonna jump in.
Say go. Go.
1,
3.
2,
1,
3,
2,
go!
Not like that.
You knew what you were getting into.
Was it fun, Anna?
Okay, you need to go get a warm shower.
Alyssa, that wasn't as much fun as you thought it was going to be?
I knew I was running, but I didn't feel it. I can't feel it.
I was kidding about not going in the house. Y'all can go in the house.